In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a full website background in Wix Studio. This process involves working within the Wix Studio editor to create an impactful, full-width background that can greatly enhance the aesthetic appeal of your website. So, let's dive right in. To start, we'll need to add a full-width section to your web page. Open up the Wix Studio editor, and on the left sidebar, you'll see an option called Add. Click on this, and from the drop-down menu, select Section. Within the section options, choose a blank section. Now, to ensure your section truly spans the entire width of your page, you'll need to resize it accordingly. This creates a canvas for your background, setting the stage for the next steps. Next, with your section now in place, it's time to set your desired background. Click on the section to make sure it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the surrounding outlines. Once selected, look over to the right side of the screen where the Inspector panel resides. Within this panel, locate the Background tab. Clicking on this tab will reveal your background options. Here, you can choose between adding an image or a video as your section's backdrop. This is where creativity comes into play. Whether you opt to upload your own media files or select from Wix's available gallery, make sure your choice aligns with the theme and mood of your website. Once you've chosen your background media, we move on to customization. A key element to consider is the opacity setting. Adjusting the opacity determines the transparency level of your background, giving you control over how vivid or subtle the background appears in relation to other page elements. This is particularly useful if you want the background to support rather than overshadow the content sitting above it. Another customizable element is the focal point. This setting allows you to decide which part of your background image or video remains prominent and in focus when the section gets resized. It's especially handy for maintaining critical visual elements as your page adapts to different screen sizes. Lastly, don't forget about the scroll effects available to you. These effects can add a layer of visual interest to your site that engages visitors. With options like parallax and freeze, you can create dynamic backgrounds that move in unique ways as the user scrolls through the page, creating a more immersive experience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully add and customize a full website background in Wix Studio. Remember, a well-thought-out background can significantly contribute to your website's overall look and feel, so take your time to experiment with different setups to see what works best. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Check out more of our content for additional tips and tutorials on crafting stunning websites.